Hi guys, back to my videos. We're gonna open this big slime and I can't wait. So let's start. It's kind of even harder to do this, so let's see. Oh my gosh. It's totally sticking the paper. Let's go open it. Ew. Okay. I love the slime, but ew. I'm just gonna play with it. Ooh, look, this is so gooey. So pretty. Look at this one. I like it. Okay, I gotta put this somewhere. Ew, it's so gooey, right? Guys, you can't see this. Where do I put this on? I don't really want to stick in my phone. I don't want to stick in the rug. Okay, phew. Okay, now I'm going to start with this one. I like this one. It gets glitter like that one. I like it. Now let's stretch. It's really stretchy. Let's start with another ones, guys. I thought they were sticky, but no. Because last time I had one and it was so sticky. It was like a blue one. Or like a pink one. I don't even know. So, guys, be like this. Look. And you know. Oh no, it's sticking. There we go. Look what happens. So guys, this is so gooey, like sticky. What's here? Look, it has not space. Just gonna move it around. Look, you can even mix it. Mix. Okay, I don't really want to go. So, look, guys. So, that one is a pretty color, see? And this one. And also, this one is a pretty color, too. So, guys, remember what I made over there? Right there. It's kind of drying out, so it's kind of drying out, but I'm gonna fix it for right now. It's getting bladder. Oh, just got a little bit. See, but I'm gonna have more. We just gotta stretch it out. Okay, I think it works now. Now, let's start with this one. I like this one. It's my wood one. So, guys, I had to go. Bye. See my videos and give a big thumbs up in my channels. And I hope you like my videos. Bye.